holy crap, you guys. Look at this sunrise. Or like horizon sky. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like cotton candy pastel colors. Damn, I wish I could live by the ocean all the time. This is so nice. My favorite place in the world is by the ocean on the beach. Good morning! Happy Vlogmas day 17. I'm sweating balls right now because it is 10:51 and I went to go get Ono Seafood, the best poke place ever. I took a bike ride and I thought it was gonna be like pretty short, but it was longer than I thought. Not that long, but longer than I thought. And it's hot outside and it's sunny, so I'm sweating right now. What?
Is it really hot outside?
Well, riding the bike and being in the sun. I was like in the sun the whole time. But I went with Alan and I'll enter some clips here. We took a bike. Okay, me and Alan are riding bikes. These bikes are so cute. They have them all around the island. I'm using my phone because I couldn't bring my camera. So here we go. We're gonna get lunch. Me and Alan got Ono.
Success.
Just us two. We're on a date. But we are going to eat now. Well, let me show you guys what we got. Oh god, it's really hot. Here is what we got. This was $1 if you got a poke bowl. So there's this one. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I just got these. Can't remember which is which. Oh, mine's the brown rice one, so that one's mine. I got a spicy ahi and shoyu ahi with brown rice, and then I got Justin spicy ahi and Hawaiian style. I forgot to show you guys what I ate for breakfast this morning. It was a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I've not eaten that in so long, but the ratio was off a little. I feel like there was like an excessive amount of peanut butter, but I'm starving now after my bike ride, so let's try this. I'm seriously sweating so hard.
Yeah, you look.
Oh my god, I need to take a shower. Yummy. Okay, I definitely look naked, but I promise I'm wearing a bikini. But me and Reg are here. We're here at the beach. Finally got off work and it's so sunny. It was raining earlier, so thank goodness.
You know, like,
oh, that one looks cool.
You know, like the ones that babies use?
Yeah. And here's my toes. Ugh, I'm so mad. My poor toes. It's raining right now. Oh my gosh. Well, it's sprinkling and hopefully these clouds go away. It's gonna take the sun. The sun's going. But it was actually getting really hot, like when we were laying here with the sun. But now that it's sprinkling and the sun's about to go, and Shay's coming. Shay's coming now. Oh my god. And it's like almost sunset. What time is it? It's 4:44.
Is she saying she's coming?
Yeah, she said she's on her way, so.
Oh my god.
And the tide is pulling up. And we're like super close. It's like coming.
That's why yesterday
We're walking to get a snack before dinner. Look at the sunset. It's so nice.
It's pretty strong.
It's good, but it's like it just tastes like.
Okay.
Cheers. I'm here at Mai Tai with Reg and Shay. You can't even see us because it's freaking dark, but the bartender made us a drink that's not on their QR code menu, but it's so good. And look at the sunset. It's like too dark to even focus. Oh, that's super bright. Okay, we got club sandwich and truffle fries. Yum. This is our snack for later. We got dinner later.
Like, I was thinking, like, it's so annoying. I don't want to pour and get a worm. Because he was like, oh, there's
Now this one for us. Just drink. Cheers. Are we all the way?
No. Why are these things so cool?
All the way?
Cheers!
Cheers.
Cheers!
I can't even hold mine.
Reggie!
Cheers.
Gandhi!
Gumbe, bitches.
Gumbe.
Cheers. Look at my water. Cheers. Wind it up.
It's similar to this.
I want to take a poke making class.
Ooh.
Very fragrant.
We're eating dinner at Tonkatsu Tabafuji, and apparently it's better than the Ginza one. Right? We'll see. Are we in her Vlogmas? Yeah, in
I
Vlogmas.
already made the Vlogmas this morning when I got my own notes.
Yes. We went on a date, me and Alan. Oh, your biking one?
I asked the difference. He said this one has more flavor.
Wow.
I mean, it's not bad, but I had a little bit.
Let me try.
But it's my brain.
Good. Hey guys, I'm coming in while editing this vlog, and I realized I didn't end it, so I'm gonna end it here. Sorry if today's vlog, I know, I always forget. Sorry, today's vlog is kind of short. It's only like around 6 minutes that I see here, but it's because I was like doing other stuff, and we started our day pretty late and we were just like chilling on the beach, so we didn't really do much yesterday. Today is more exciting, I think, because we're gonna go shopping, me and Justin, and then go to the beach and see where the night takes us. So thank you guys for watching today's vlog, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 18. Oh my gosh. Only a few days left. Okay, bye. You wanna say bye? He took my spot on the bed. Okay, bye.